Hey friends, if you wish to set monitor timeout using the PowerCFG command on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. I have shared these commands in the description section of the video. I'll show you. The first one, the one which mentions AC, is when you are on that power cord, and the second one which says DC is for battery. Now I'll explain one thing. This is just for differentiation, while the fact is that even the power cord eventually changes it into DC. So here's what you have to do. Copy this command, but first of all change the number of minutes to the actual number of minutes. Let's say that I have to change it to 40 minutes. Okay, I will change it to 40 minutes. And this one to 40 minutes. Okay, so for the power cord one, simply copy it, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. The job is done. For the DC one, for the on battery one, you can paste the second command and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.